Hello everybody, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to fix Palworld Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error, specifically VCRuntime140 dll error. So now often if you are playing Palworld, so these type of errors could occur, and this is due to some outdated C++ component files. So this could be fixed really easily, so make sure to stick till the end of this video and you will find your solution. So on Steam forum, if you look for some issues and solutions, that question and answers that people are simply doing here, so the guy just mentions that you can try uninstalling all Microsoft Visual C++. Let me zoom in that. So you can try uninstalling all Microsoft Visual C++ going to Microsoft website and downloading the 64-bit C++ before installing. If you can't for some reason, like he could, not uninstall, head to your task manager and end the task of the Windows installer, then uninstall them, then do a refresh install of the current C++. From here, scroll down to architecture section and download your systems versions. Honestly, I hope this helped someone else. So he also provided a link. You can head over to this particular link as well. Now if this is not working for you, you need to fix your C++ files, and how you can do that is by simply check for install any pending Windows update. So if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, make sure to head over to your update section and update your Windows. And after that, you need to repair Visual C++ packages on your PC. Now for that you simply need to press Windows plus I on your keyboard, then head over to app categories or tab and click apps and features. You will find that once you head over to your settings, and then click the dot button beside the Visual C++ package version specified in the error message and select modify. In Windows 10 you will need to select a Visual C++ package and click modify, and then you're going to be simply clicking on repair option, as you can see in the screenshot as well. So this should fix your Visual C++ issues. After that, you need to install the 2015 or 2022 Visual Studio C++ packages. So for that, you can simply head over to their official distributor's website. You can open Visual C++ distributable package. This is the link, by the way, and then click on a 64-bit architecture download link for Visual Studio to 2015 or 2022, and then click on I agree and install the software itself, and it should potentially fix all the issues related to C++ runtime. After that, you have your install DirectX runtime libraries. So these are some libraries that you need to install for DirectX. If you have outdated version of DirectX, that could be an issue as well. And finally, we need to repair .NET frameworks. So you can also verify affected game within your game launcher. So make sure to always verify your game files. So yeah, these are some issues. There are much more, but these should potentially fix your issues for C++ errors. And I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with friends. Thank you so much for watching.